In this video, I will demonstrate how to convert an RGB image to a CMYK image. First, one thing we have to realize that when we're in InDesign is assuming that we are going to be creating print graphics. So that is to say that if you were to pull down imagery off of the web, you're going to pull down an RGB, image that is saved in the RGB color space, and while positioning that image on your InDesign document is not a problem, InDesign is going to realize that, hey, wait a minute, you need to make sure that the color space is correct. So for example, if you look at this ad right here, when I go up to File and I drop down to Package, you'll notice that there's this little yellow diamond here, and it's telling us, it says that there is one image that uses RGB color space. And then of course we can click on the links and it tells you exactly which one it is. Well, let's fix that problem right now. Again, it's not that the job won't print, it's just that it might look different because it's using the wrong color space. So in InDesign, it's really very easy to make that adjustment. What you want to do is you want to select the image, and it's this image right here that's in question. And you want to be in the direct selection tool. So once you have the image selected, you put your finger down on the Option Command key or the Control and Alt key, put your fingers down on both of them and double click. And once you do that, it's going to open up the image in the native application, and in this case it is Photoshop. So in Photoshop, all you're going to do, you're going to go up to Image, drop down to Mode, slide over to CMYK color space. We'll say OK. We'll say Save. We're going to close it down. And when we come back to InDesign, it looks as though nothing has changed, but watch this. When we go over to File, we drop down to Package, and look, it has already been updated. Everything is clean. So that's basically how easy it is to convert an RGB image to CMYK from InDesign and actually staying in InDesign and opening it up in Photoshop, making the conversion, and then saving it back to InDesign. So hopefully that helps.